Good morning, students. Students, screen is shared.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, student. Now exercise 3.6, sixth part. Exercise 3.6. Question number first, sixth part. Student, 6x plus 3y. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 6xy. And your next is 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Student, as you know that in right hand side there will be only constant term. This is your first equation, this is your second equation. Student, as you know that in right hand side there will be only constant terms. So dividing equation 1 and 2 by xy. Dividing equation 1 and 2 by xy. Equation 1 and 2 by xy. Students, it will divide equation 1 and 2 by xy. 6x divided by xy plus 3y divided by xy. Next is 6xy is also divided by xy. Students, equation 1 is divided by xy. Similarly, equation 2 is also divided by xy. And 2x divided by xy plus 4y is also divided by xy. And 5xy is also divided by xy. Students, x to x cancel out, x to x cancel out, y to y cancel out, y to y cancel out, xy to xy cancel out, xy to xy cancel out. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No. No, sir.
Okay, students. Now your equation will become, what will your equation become? 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. That is your third linear equation. Now student, next will be add 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Now your equation same as question number first part. Now student, what will be your next step? Now what can you do in the next step? Please tell me.
So we will reduce it.
Reduce it. Let
We reduce it 1 by y equal to a and 1 by
and 1 by x is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. Now students, 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. It is your fifth equation in two variable, that is a and b. Now student, next will be 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. It is your sixth equation in two variable a and b. Now student, we have to show the pair of linear equation in two variables and we have to find out the value of a and b. Student, how can you solve it?
Divide by multiplication 6 by 3.
Multiplying
Equation 6 by 3.
6 by 3. Multiplying equation 5 by 1 and multiplying equation 6 by 3. Student, it will becomes that is 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. It becomes your seventh equation and it will become 6a plus 12b, that is your 3 5s are 15. That is your 8th linear equation. Student, please solve it. Sign will be changed. That will be cancelled out. It will that is minus sign. That is minus sign. That is also minus sign. Here is minus sign. Student, it becomes minus 9b.
is equal to
Minus 9b is equal to minus 9.
Yes, sir.
Minus minus plus b is equal to 9 by 9. B is equal to 1. Now student, putting b is equal to 1 in equation fifth. Putting b is equal to 1 in equation fifth. Student, 6a plus 3. Fifth equation, 6a plus 3b. b is 1. It becomes 6a plus 3 is equal to 6. Now 6a is equal to 6 minus 3. 6a is equal to 3a is equal to 1 by 2. Student, do it fast. Now student,
Sir, here the value of A is 2.
a is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. 6a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 by 6. That is value of a is 1 by 2. And value of b is 1. Now student, we have to find out the value of a, x and y. Student, there is a relation in a and y. 1 by y is equal to a. 1 by y is equal to a and a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. So value of y should be 2 and value of x is equal to 1. Please check the answer. Value of
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now students, 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. Your value of a is equal to 1 by 2, therefore y is equal to 2 and 1 upon x. What is the value of b? B is 1 by 1. Value of x is equal to 1. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Now student, exercise 3.6, 8th part. 8th part. Have you done?
Yes. Okay.
Exercise 3.6, 8th part. Student, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. One by 2 bracket 3x plus y bracket close minus 1 by 2 to 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Student, listen to me. In first linear equation 1 by 3x minus y, in second linear equation 1 upon 3x minus 3x plus y, in first linear equation 1 upon 3x minus y, in second linear equation 1 upon 3x minus y. Here you are observing that. Now student, what will be a? What will be a?
1 upon 3x plus y.
Very good student. 1 upon 3x plus y. Now student, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, your equation becomes a plus b is equal to 3 by 4 and a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. A plus b is equal to 3 by 4 and second equation becomes a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Now student, solve it. Student, cross multiply it. That is cross multiply it. Then it becomes 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. That is your first linear equation in two variables. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Now student, take LCM, that is 2. A minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Cross multiply it. Now it becomes 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. That is your second linear equation in two variables. 4a minus 4b is second equation. Now student, your first equation becomes 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. That is your first. 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. That is your second linear equation in two variables. Number of students switch off their camera. 42 students present at this times. Tanmay Dwivedi, please tell me that how can you solve the pair of linear equation in two variables? Am I audible to you? Tanmay, Shubham Jadhav,
Yes, sir.
how can you solve the pair of linear equation in two variables A and B?
Elimination method.
Elimination method. Elimination method. Adding equation first and second we get. Adding equation first and second we get. So that it will be cancelled out. It becomes 8A is equal to 2. What is the value of A? Value of A is 1 by 8. That is 1 by 4. Now student, we have to find out the value of B. To find out the value of B, putting A is equal to 1 by 4 in equation first. A is equal to 1 by 4 in equation first. Now student, what is A? A is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in equation first. This is your first equation. 4A plus 4B is equal to 3. 4 1 the 4 cancel out. That is 1 plus 4B is equal to 3. 4B is equal to 3 minus 1. B is equal to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Student, your A is 1 by 4, B is equal to 1 by 2. A is 1 by 4, B is equal to 1 by 2. Student, do it fast. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
1 upon 3x plus y is equal to A, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to B. Student, what is the value of A?
1 by 4.
And what is the value of B?
1 by 2.
1 by 4.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is the value, sir.
Okay students, now 3x plus y
Sir, how many
is
are
equal to
present?
4.
How many are present? 40? 42. ठीक है.
41.
41. Baby strength का. From today they have their PTM attendance वाला notice बना के सबको एक देना, एक रिसीविंग करना.
Okay. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now students, solve the pair of linear equation. It becomes third and it becomes your fourth linear equation. Now students, solve it and find out the value of x and y. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. That is your third and this is your fourth linear equation in two variables. That is cancelled out. So that it becomes 6x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 6. That is 1. Now student, putting x is equal to 1 in equation third. Putting x is equal to 1 in equation third. Student, it becomes 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3, y is equal to 1. Student, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables. Student, downstream upstream, concept of downstream upstream. Most important questions, downstream upstream. Students, a river flows in this direction. That is your river. That is your flows in this direction. Water is flowing in this direction. Students, this is the water flowing in the river and there is a boat. This is your boat. This is your boat. Students, we consider the let speed of boat be. Let speed of boat be x किलोमीटर पर आवर. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने क्या किया, जो बोट है उसकी स्पीड को x किलोमीटर पर आवर कंसीडर कर लिया. अब जो बोट है वो इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रही है, इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रही है. दैट इज बोट डायरेक्शन. डायरेक्शन ऑफ बोट एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर इज सेम. डायरेक्शन ऑफ बोट एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर इज सेम. That is downstream. That is a downstream. Downstream case. Downstream case. Students, let speed of stream, speed of current. Let speed of current, speed of still water, speed of water. y किलोमीटर पर आवर. स्टूडेंट, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने क्या करना है, बोट की स्पीड को हमेशा वाटर की स्पीड से अधिक रखना है. x इज ग्रेटर देन y. हमने क्या करना है, बोट की स्पीड को वाटर की स्पीड से अधिक रखना है. स्टूडेंट्स, आप मेरे को ये बताइए, वाटर क्या है, जिस डायरेक्शन में वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है उसी डायरेक्शन में क्या है, बोट भी जा रही है. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर इन द रिवर एंड बोट इज सेम. नाउ द स्पीड ऑफ बोट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज if the boat will floats in the same direction of flowing water, then in boat speed of current will be added. जिस डायरेक्शन में वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है उसी डायरेक्शन में अगर बोट जाएगी तो आपके जो बोट है, बोट की स्पीड के अंदर वाटर की स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी. इसे बोलते हैं स्पीड ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम. स्पीड ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम. स्टूडेंट, कोई डाउट कोई प्रॉब्लम इसमें? स्पीड ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम. स्पीड ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम, दैट इज x plus y. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि अगर आप वाटर में फ्लो कर रहे हैं, वाटर में स्विम कर रहे हैं, जिस डायरेक्शन में वाटर क्या है, फ्लो कर रहा है, अगर आप उसी डायरेक्शन में स्विम करेंगे तो आपकी स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी. लेकिन अगर आप जिस डायरेक्शन में वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है, अगर उसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आपको स्विम करना है तो आपको बहुत अधिक मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक ना. आपको स्विम करने के लिए बहुत अधिक मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। स्टूडेंट डाउनस्ट्रीम में कोई प्रॉब्लम इस कंसेप्ट ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम, यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No.
नो प्रॉब्लम्स?
No problem, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, our next concept is upstream. Case of upstream. Upstream. Student, upstream case is just opposite of downstream case. Students, the water is flowing in the river in such direction. In such direction. Friends, now your boat is at this position. Now your boat will move in opposite direction of flowing water. Student, we will consider the speed of boat is x km/h and speed of current. Current means what? Flowing water. That is y km/h. Student, here let speed of boat be. Speed of boat be x km/h and speed of current and speed of flowing water be y km/h. Students, please tell me that if the speed of current, speed of water is more than speed of boat, then your boat will cross the flowing water or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
ओके स्टूडेंट, अगर आपकी क्या है स्पीड ऑफ करंट, वाटर की स्पीड बोट की स्पीड से अगर अधिक है तो आपकी बोट क्या है वाटर में मूव नहीं कर पाएगी अगेंस्ट द फ्लोइंग वाटर। तो हमें क्या करना है, बोट की स्पीड को वाटर की स्पीड से अधिक रखना है। स्टूडेंट, बच्चे गलती क्या करते हैं इसमें, द ब्लंडर मिस्टेक, वाटर की स्पीड में से बोट की स्पीड को माइनस कर देते हैं। That is the blunder mistake. You have to keep in mind, you have to subtract x minus y. बोट की स्पीड में से वाटर की स्पीड को माइनस करना है। Students, you have to
Answer
keep.
my doubt. Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, friends, ask me. Yes,
Sir,
friends.
my doubt is कि हमने जो लेट स्पीड ऑफ इनपुट आपने मानी थी वो तो x किलोमीटर पर आवर थी और यहाँ पे आपने 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर अपॉन x किलोमीटर पर आवर क्यों किया?
कहाँ पे?
Sir,
Student,
लेट स्पीड ऑफ बोट
speed of boat be x km/h. That is speed of current is. That is speed of current.
5 किलोमीटर पर आवर क्यों लिखा?
That is speed of current. Speed of boat is x km/h and speed of water be y km/h. Now doubt is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now student, speed of upstream will be
X minus y kilometer.
x minus y km/h. Priya Tiwari, why did why we did not take the speed of upstream y minus x?
Sir, because we always have to take the speed of boat more than the speed of water.
Very good students. Student, any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No, sir.
Okay students. Now we proceed on the main questions. Exercise 3.6 question number 2 first part. Students, question number 2 first part B. Ritu can row downstream 20 km. Student, in downstream distance is 20 km. Students, in 9th class in physics chapter number 1 motion, you have already discussed that your distance is always calculated in kilometer, meter.
Kilometer per hour.
Your speed is always calculated in kilometer per hour या meter per
Or
second.
meter per second.
Your time is calculated in hours, minutes
Second.
and second. Students, if there is written kilometer per hour, is it clear? Speed is given. If kilometer is written, it means distance is given. If hour is written, it means time is given. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Distance is 20 km, time is 2 hours, and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Student, let speed of rowing in still water be. Let speed of rowing
8 kilometer per hour.
rowing in still water. Still water be x kilometer per hour. Student, it is the speed of your boat and speed of current, speed of flowing water, speed and speed of current B. Of current B. That is y kilometer per hour. Kritika Singh, please tell me what is the speed of downstream? What is the speed of downstream? If speed of boat is x kilometer per hour and speed of current is y kilometer per hour, then speed of downstream will be. Kritika Singh, please tell me. I have already discussed in the class. Are you present in the class? Kashish Dwivedi, Kashish. Yes. Yes. Arpit Misra. Arpit Misra, am I audible to you? What is speed of upstream?
Speed of upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour.
Why did you not take y minus x kilometer per hour?
Because the race rate x kilometer per hour greater than y kilometer per hour.
Okay, students.
That is speed of boat is greater than speed of current.
Okay, students. Now speed of downstream B x plus y kilometer per hour. Student, here you can written as x is greater than y. Speed of upstream B x minus y kilometer per hour. Now students, your first condition is Ritu can row downstream. In downstream, your speed is x plus y kilometer per hour. Your distance is 20 kilometer and your time is 2 hours. Now student, according to first condition. According to first condition.
Upon x plus y is equal to 2.
Students, we have to find out time. Time is distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. Your distance is 20. Your speed is x plus y and your time is 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Distance is speed by time. Time is, student rate. Student, time is distance by speed. Now student, it becomes 20 is equal to 2 bracket x plus y. 2 ones are 2, 2 times. That is x plus y is equal to 10. Equation first. Student, any doubt, any problems? According to second condition.
No.
According to second condition. In second condition, your distance is 4 kilometer, time is 2 hours. Students, distance by speed in upstream, distance is 4 kilometer, speed is x minus y, time is 2. It becomes 4 is equal to 2 bracket x minus y. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is x minus y is equal to 2. That is your second linear equation in 2 variables. Now students, solve the pair of linear equation in 2 variables and find out the value of x and y. X plus y is equal to 10. That is your first. X minus y is equal to 2. That is your second. Cancel out. Twice of x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. That is x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Putting x is equal to 6 in equation first. Putting x is equal to 6 in equation first.
Y equals to
6 plus y. Y is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
6 plus y is equal to 10. It means y is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. That is 6 kilometer per hour. Speed, therefore, speed of rowing in still water is 6 kilometer per hour and speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. Student, any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Students, There is a substitution period, seventh period, substitution period of maths. I will take the class in seventh period, and I will proceed to next questions. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Thank you.